guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Chrissy Nicole. If you aren't subscribed, you might as well just go ahead and subscribe now, okay? And if you already been subscribed since day one, hey girl, how you doing? Anyways, today we doing a Iseehair wig install, and yeah, we're gonna teach you girls how to do it. So what I just did is I just put this little cap on my head, and now I'm putting some Got2b glue hairspray on it just to stick it down. So you're gonna have to blow dry this and then just wait a few minutes and it'll be dry, girl. So what you're about to see me do is just take my finger and put it under the cap, and then I'm gonna just go around my hairline. I do that so I can kind of size it when I just look at it to see if, like, when I put the wig on, it's gonna show through. So I just put my finger under it and kind of just go around my hairline and just fix that, and then I cut the excess off, and then you just throw it in the garbage, girl. Just throw it in the garbage. So now all I do is put Got2b glue on the edges of it, and then I use my comb to kind of just push it down just so it looks a little bit more blended than it does right now. I don't know if it makes a difference. It kind of does, but you know, I do it anyway. So after this, I put on foundation. Don't worry about it, girl. It don't match. The foundation don't match, but you know, don't worry about it. Mind your business. Anyways, after you do all of that, you're gonna be good. So right here, I just take some alcohol, whether it's a swab or I just put some on a rag. I take some alcohol and I wipe off the excess hairspray and the excess Got2b glue gel, just so when I put the foundation on and the hair glue on, it sticks a little better and the foundation looks a little better. So just clean it up, girl. Make sure it look nice. You don't want to be out here looking raggedy. So yeah, girl, listen. listen, if you knew or if you've been subscribed, you know, most of the videos that I got, I'm ashy. And you know what? It ain't nobody else's fault but my own. So you know what? Just ignore it. Just ignore it. It's cool. Anyways, what we're about to do is take this bold hold glue and we're going to put it around just like you see me doing here, just like so. And then once you put it on there, you wait till it dries. It should turn clear. Don't put it on there when it's white, girl, because you're going to be messing yourself up. Just wait till it's clear and you're going to be good. So I do this either 2 to 3 times, depending on how I feel. This time I did it 3 times, so you could just skip ahead if you want. You know what? Don't skip ahead. Please don't skip ahead. Please just watch it. But I do it 3 times just to make sure my wig stick, girl, is hot. It's going to slip off if you don't. So just warning you. So at this point, you should know what I'm doing. I'm just lining the lace up with the glue, pressing it on there, making sure it looks decent. So after you do that, you just put the part where you want it. You put the edges up there and then you style it, girl. I didn't style it, but if you want to see it, go ahead and comment. I'll style my hair. And yeah. And you already know what time it is. Okay, it's edge time. Just do a little swoop-de swoop, a little whoop-de whoop, and you'll be good. So guys, that is the end of this video. This is how I install my wigs. So if you like this video, go ahead and put a thumbs up on it for me. Go ahead and comment too and subscribe. You already here, girl, and it's free. So yeah, but I will see you in the next video, guys. I love you guys so much, and you better be on time. I'm not playing.